Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll show you how to easily save passwords on Chrome PC. Let's dive right in. The simplest way to save any password is to visit the website where you want to log in using the Chrome browser. Once you've logged in with your username and password, a pop-up window will appear in the upper right corner, asking if you want to save your password. Just click Save to save it. Afterward, you'll be prompted to decide whether you want to utilize your Google account to save and fill passwords and passkeys. Simply choose Yes if you prefer to use it, or select No, this device only if you wish to use to this device only. Another method is to click on the three dots menu in the upper right corner of Chrome. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings section, click on Autofill and Passwords. Then, within the Autofill and Passwords section, find and click on Google Password Manager. To add a password, simply click on Add. In the pop-up window that appears, enter the website in the first field, followed by your username and password. Once you've filled in the details, click on Save. And there you have it! You successfully saved your password on Chrome browser on your PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.